Dividing integers. These are the rules if we are going to divide integers. Positive divided by positive is equal to positive. Negative divided by positive is equal to negative. Positive divided by negative is equal to negative. And negative divided by negative is equal to positive. Here are some examples. Number 1, positive 35 divided by positive 7. Since the numbers are both positive, so your final answer should be a positive number. So that is equal to positive 5. Number 2, negative 12 divided by positive 4. Again, negative and positive, that is equal to negative. So your final answer is equal to negative 3. Number 3, negative 30 divided by positive 3. Again, negative and positive, that is equal to negative. So your answer is equal to negative 10. Number 4, negative 24 divided by negative 4. The signs of the two numbers are both negative. So your final answer should be a positive number. So that is equal to positive 6. Number 5, positive 100 divided by negative 2. That is positive divided by negative is equal to negative. So the final answer should be a negative number, and that is equal to negative 15. Practice. You can comment your answer below. Thank you.